Good morning, guys, or whatever time you're watching this. Hello. I just have a question today. Nothing earth-shattering, no new research or anything like that, but just starting a conversation between bearded friends or not. Maybe you don't have a beard and this could be something that relates to you as well. Have you ever smelled a beard product and it brought you back to a certain memory? Whether it was a grandparent during your childhood, maybe it was something from your college days, or maybe it was with the military. Stop if you could and put a comment down below. A beard product scent, a beard product in general that invoked a memory. Because we know that scents are powerful ways to bring back memories, whether it was a leather chair that was in your childhood home, or whether it was a smoky scent from your camping trips. For me, I have none. It's driving me crazy. Somebody just this morning, I didn't even plan on filming this video, but I had to make it. And they were like, oh my gosh, Dan, this scent is amazing. It reminds me of my grandfather. And I was like, why am I broken? Why do I not get any scent reminders, any scent memories? And I've tried thousands of different scents, and that's not an exaggeration. I mean thousands of different scents over the course of 7 years almost of doing this. And I've never once been like transported back in time. I've never once been like, oh my gosh, this is my so-and-so. This was this point in my life. I don't know if I'm alone, but if you could share any thoughts or feelings on this, it would be greatly appreciated. I'm going to follow up with a couple of just additional thoughts before we get out of here. But to introduce myself, my name is Dan C. Bearded, and I just want to say thank you guys for checking out this video. This is my passion. I love talking about beards. I love talking about beard products. It's just something that I enjoy. If you enjoy this as well, two things, if you could, hit the thumbs up for me. It's free. And then consider subscribing if you want to check out more videos on this channel, if you just want to stay up to date with what's to come in the future. And above all, just support what I do here as a career and a hobby, giving back free content to you guys. So I really do want to know, how many people have a memory from a beard product or a scent in general? And then how many people don't? And you're like, no, it just doesn't work with me. Now, to be fair, I don't have a ton of memories from my childhood. I don't think it's anything like suppressed. I didn't have a bad childhood. I didn't have like a horrible home or family or anything like that. My memory is an interesting thing. I treat it like a file cabinet is the way I talk about it, where I get new thoughts that come in and it pushes the old ones back. Now, some are prioritized and they stay up front and they have like a permanent folder. But the other ones are there. They just keep getting pushed back farther and farther and farther. And I've just never had this one invoke that. Now, I do it with songs. A song will hit and I'll be like, oh my gosh, that was 2020 or that was 2002 and it brought me back to this day. Oh my gosh. And it really does put me back in a spot. I've had that with foods where I'll have a certain fruit and be like, that was that vacation. Oh my gosh, I remember dragon fruit. This is so amazing. But for some reason, it's not with beard products. Is it because I've used so many? Is it because my nose has had to adjust to trying so many different scents? I don't know, but I have a feeling some of you will have some thoughts on it. And above all, I just want to hear from your experiences. I just want to live vicariously through you guys. What scent did this and where did it bring you back mentally? Please leave a comment. Let's have some fun with this lighthearted video. And I do want to say again, thank you guys for checking it out. My name's Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.